So today we will be continuing with links and navigation. So we will see how to link to other web pages and how to link to email addresses. So first let us understand linking to other web pages. So a page can be linked to other web pages by using the A element. So by using the A element, we can link our page to another web page with the href attribute, specifying the URL of the other web page. And if the URL described by the href attribute is any other complete web page, then this URL is known as qualified URL. Example, we'll take a program. So first you give HTML tag and then you give head tag, then title. As I told you, title will be enclosed within the head tag. Page slash title. Now closing the head tag. Now H1 tag. One of the most popular engine is tag A, href equals to, let's give a URL, http://www.google.com. Then you close this tag and you write Google. Now you close the A tag, then slash H1. Now you close the body tag and you close the HTML tag. So you have understood how do we link to other web pages. Now see, when the phrase Yahoo from the site .html page is clicked, then you will get the URL like this, http://www.yahoo.site appears in the same window. So in addition to the href attribute, the anchor element can contain the title attribute, which describes about the other page. The link navigates to the value of the title attribute is displayed in a tooltip where the user hovers the mouse over the link. So I will show you using an example. So we define the HTML tag, then head tag, then title tag, main page, slash title. Now H1 tag A href equals, now let's give the URL http://www.google.com slash quotations close title equals quotations open searches the info with Google search engine. Quotations close. Now Google close tag A is a very popular search engine. Close H1. Now you close the body tag and you close the HTML tag. So in the previous case, which I have shown you, the output would be one of the most popular engine.
I didn't complete the other part.
So for the first program which I have given you, you will get an output like this. One of the most popular engine is Google. And for the second one which I have given,
Yeah.
the output would be Google is a very popular search engine. So this is how we can link our web page to other web pages. Now let us see how to link to email addresses. Linking to email addresses. So a link is created to an email address by using any one of the syntax which I will be giving you. Either you can use href equals to mail to colon abc at the rate some exp.com, quotations close, abc at the rate emp.com, then close the a tag. Then href equals mail to colon pqr at the rate exmp.com, email us /a. So this is the way you can create a link to an email address. So let us take an example by using a program. So first we enter HTML tag, then
I hadn't
body tag.
finished.
Now let's take a program. Let's see how to link to email address. So HTML tag, then body tag, href equals mail to colon pqr at the rate exmp.com, close the tag, email us /a. Now you close the body tag and you close the HTML tag. So in the output, you will get it as such. Email us. Like this, a link will be displayed. Now we will see how source anchor is created to link. Okay, so a document can be linked to other documents by using a element. Okay, and it contains an attribute href which specifies the location link of the document that is to be linked. And the text inside the anchor element should be clearly mentioned about the page that is going to be linked. There should not be any space between the A element because it reads all its contents, including the spaces, as links. So I will
Yeah.
show you with the example. So the program name is home.html. Now I start the program, give the tag HTML, then head tag, then title tag. The title we are giving is home page. Then close the title. Then close the head. Now take the tag body. H1, navigate to A, href, where A is the element and href is the attribute, equals list.html. This is continuation, course page /a. slash h1. Then next close the body and then close the HTML tag. So the output would be navigate to course page like this. So when user clicks on the list page of the home page, the index.html page gets loaded into the same window by replacing the home.html page. Now we shall see how the specific parts of a page can be linked. So the page can contain links to specific parts of it when the length of the page is long, or when the page doesn't fit in the browser's window, or
Yeah.
when the user has to scroll the page to move to the specific location. And it is also called as internal links. So I will give you some examples of linking to the specific parts to a page on a web page. So the first one is long page contains the links back of top at the bottom of the page to navigate, right?
Yeah.
And page contains the list of contents that will direct to the relevant part of the page. Then page contains the links in the text to navigate to definitions or to the footnotes. And it is possible by two attributes. Number one, name or ID attribute. Number two, source attribute. So the linking to the specific parts of a page can be achieved by using source anchors and destination anchors. So the linking to the specific parts of a page can be achieved by using source anchors and destination anchors, as I told you earlier. So first let us understand about source anchors. What are source anchors? So the source anchors specify the links to the specific parts of same page. Okay, so let us write some points on source anchors. Write down. The source anchors specify the links to the specific parts of same page. The href attribute in the source anchor should contain the value same as the value of ID attribute in the destination anchor except that it should be preceded by a hash sign. This is also known as pond sign. So this is about source anchors. Now let us understand about destination anchors. So the destination anchors contain particular parts in the page that can be linked by source anchor. The destination anchor contains an attribute ID or name attribute which provides the identification to a particular part of the page. And this identification is used as the value which is preceded by hash sign of the href attribute in the source anchor. So let's take a program to understand these anchors. So define the HTML tag, then body tag, then a tag, followed by name equals top. Context, close the a tag. Then again another a tag, href equals hash top, quotations close, top, slash a. Close the body and close HTML tag. So the output would be like this: context, top. Top will have a link. Now let's move on to other attributes of a element. So what are the attributes of a element? Let's study. So a element can contain the attributes like universal attributes, UI event attributes, and other attributes. Other attributes like access key, char set, coords, href, href long, rel, rev, shape, style, tab index, target, and type. These are the other attributes. So let us understand about each one of them. So first let's take access key. So what do you mean by access key attribute? Why is it used? So it is used for creating a keyboard shortcut to enable a link. For example, a value is assigned to the access key attribute, such as alphabet P. So when the key P is pressed with Alt or Control, the link is activated. And it must be specified on the source anchor. So the next attribute is, after the access key attribute, the next attribute is char set attribute. So char set attribute is used for indicating the character encoding of the document to which the URL is pointed. So this can be used to link a page in different languages with different character set. So the value of char set attribute must be string, that is UTF-8 or ISO 8859-1. For example, tag A href equals, we give a URL http://www.yahoo.co.jp. Char set equals quotations open ISO 2022 JP. Then Yahoo Japan /A. So in this example, you can see a document is linked with the Japanese character set. Now the third attribute is coords attribute. So coords attribute is used by source anchor that has image in it. So this creates an image map, that is same image link is used at different places. So the value of the coords attribute is provided by x and y coordinates, such that a particular part of image has a link. Then the fourth attribute is href lang. So this is used to specify the language of the page that is linked. So the value of this href lang attribute is provided by two-letter language code. So the value of this attribute is given by two-letter language code. Let's take an example. Tag A, href is an attribute equals, let's give a URL, http://www.google.co.in/ quotations close, href lang equals quotations ln or in India /a, like this. Then the next attribute is rel attribute. So rel attribute is used to specify the relationship. Rel is for relationship between current document and resource provided by href attribute on the source anchor. And it doesn't support major browsers. So let's take an example. Tag A, href equals quotations open hash next quotations close, rel equals quotations open next, then next /a. So this attribute, this rel attribute can have a few values. So what are the values? TOC or contents. This is the first value. Then number 2 is index. Number 3 is glossary. Number 4 is copyright. Number 5 is start. Number 6 is next. Number 7 is PREV, or you can say previous. Number 8 is help. Number 9 is chapter. Number 10 is section. Number 11 is subsection. Number 12 is appendix. So these are the values rel attribute can have. So first let us see what is contents. So talk refers to the document that contains table of contents. TOC, that is table of contents of the current web page. Then next is index. Index refers to the document that contains index of the current web page. Number 3 is glossary. Glossary refers to the document that contains glossary of terms related to the current web page. Then copyright refers to the document that contains a copyright statement of the current document. Then next, start refers to the document that is at the top position in a collection of ordered documents. Then next refers to the document that is at the next position in a collection of ordered documents. Then previous refers to the document that is at the previous position in a total of ordered documents. Then help refers to the document that is user understandable and it can be navigated from one page or site to the other. Then next, chapter refers to the document that represents as a chapter from the total documents. Then section refers to the document that represents as a section in a total documents. Then subsection refers to the document that represents as a subsection in a total documents. Then appendix refers to the documents that is represented as an appendix in a total documents. So this is all about values of REL attribute. Next, number 6, REV attribute. So what is REV attribute? It is same as REL attribute used on destination anchor that specifies the relation between the destination anchor and the source anchor, and it also doesn't support major browsers. Coming to the next one, that is shape attribute. So shape attribute is used to specify the shape of an area while creating an image map that becomes a clickable hotspot. Then number 8 is target attribute. So what does this specify? Target attribute specifies the location to open a linked document, and its values are blank, self, parent top, and target frame. Let's take an example. Tag A, href, backslash, quotations open, pgm.html, slash, quotations close, target equals, quotations open, underscore self, quotations close the tag, program, and then close the A tag. Then next, number 9 is title attribute. So what is title attribute? It is used on any links that has images. So additional information is provided to the users that uses visual text tooltip in any browsers. Then number 10 is type attribute. So this is used to specify the MIME type of a link. So the MIME types are compared with file extensions. For example, tag A href equals pgmz.html, quotations close, type equals, quotations open, text slash html, then program 2, then you close the A tag. Let's take a program to illustrate these attributes. So first define the HTML tag, and then body tag, then paragraph tag, then again A, href equals, we are declaring a URL, http://www.yahoo.co.jp slash quotations close, char set equals, quotations open, ISO-2020-JP. Then this is continuation, Yahoo Japan, close the A tag, then close the paragraph tag. Then open another paragraph tag, ahref equals another URL now, http://www.google.co.in slash quotations close, HRELANG equals IN India /A/P. Then again another paragraph, A href equals #next, quotations close, REL equals next, then close the A tag, close the paragraph tag. So what is this for REL? It is used to specify the relationship between the current document and the resource which is provided by href attribute on the source anchor. Then next another paragraph tag A href equals pgm1 dot html quotations close target equals quotations open underscore self quotations close program close the A tag and close the paragraph tag. Then one more similar paragraph tag we take ahref equals pgm2 dot html quotations close type. In the previous one we have taken target. Over here we are taking type, that is equal to quotations open text slash html program 2 slash a slash p. Now tag a id attribute we are using now. Id equals bottom access key equals p back to top. So access key is used for creating a keyboard shortcut. Like we are initializing with P. So if we just press Alt plus P or Control plus P, it will be linked. Slash A, then slash body, and at last slash HTML. So I'll show you how the output comes over here. So the output will be like Yahoo Japan with an underline which shows that it is a link. Then India. Next. Program. Program 2. Back to top.